Welcome to Auto Paradise. Today, we're diving into the latest offering from Honda, the 2025 SP125. This motorcycle has been a staple in the commuter segment, and with its recent updates, it promises to deliver even more value to riders. Let's explore what makes the 2025 Honda SP125 stand out. Engine and performance. At the heart of the SP125 lies a 123.94cc single-cylinder, air-cooled engine. This powerplant produces 10.7 bhp at 7,500 revolutions per minute and 10.9 Newton-meters of torque at 6,000 revolutions per minute, ensuring a balanced performance suitable for daily commuting. The engine is mated to a 5-speed manual transmission, allowing for smooth gear transitions and efficient power delivery. Fuel efficiency. One of the standout features of the SP125 is its impressive fuel efficiency. Owners have reported an average mileage of around 64 kmpl, making it an economical choice for those looking to minimize fuel expenses. With an 11.2-liter fuel tank, riders can expect a substantial riding range before needing to refuel. Design and aesthetics. Honda has given the SP125 a contemporary design that appeals to modern riders. The motorcycle features sleek lines and a sporty stance, complemented by an LED headlight that not only enhances visibility but also adds to its modern look. The SP125 is available in multiple color options, including Imperial Red Metallic, Matte Axis Gray Metallic, Pearl Siren Blue, Pearl Igneous Black, and Matte Marvel Blue Metallic, allowing riders to choose a shade that best suits their style. Advanced features. The 2025 model introduces a brand new 4.2-inch TFT instrument cluster, similar to the one found on the recently launched Honda Activa 125. This TFT cluster is Bluetooth compatible and integrates with the Honda RoadSync app, offering features like voice assist and turn-by-turn navigation. Additionally, the inclusion of a USB-C charging port ensures that riders can keep their devices powered on the go. Chassis and suspension. Built on a diamond-type chassis, the SP125 offers a sturdy and balanced ride. The suspension setup includes telescopic forks at the front and twin shock absorbers at the rear, designed to handle various road conditions with ease. The motorcycle boasts a ground clearance of 160 mm and a seat height of 790 mm, striking a balance between stability and accessibility. With a curb weight of 116 kg, the SP125 is lightweight, contributing to its agile handling. Braking and safety. Safety is paramount, and Honda ensures that the SP125 is equipped to handle braking duties effectively. The motorcycle comes with drum brakes on both ends, with an option for a front disc brake in higher variants. The inclusion of the combined braking system (CBS) enhances braking efficiency by distributing braking force between the front and rear wheels, reducing stopping distances and improving overall safety. Pricing and variants. The Honda SP125 is available in multiple variants to cater to different rider preferences. The base variant, SP125 Drum, is priced at 90,116 rupees, while the top-tier SP125 Disc, OBD2B variant comes in at 100,326 rupees ex-showroom, Delhi. This range allows riders to choose a model that best fits their budget and feature requirements. Conclusion. The 2025 Honda SP125 continues to uphold its reputation as a reliable and efficient commuter motorcycle. With its updated features, modern design, and impressive fuel efficiency, it remains a compelling choice for riders seeking a blend of performance and practicality. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on longer journeys, the SP125 is equipped to deliver a satisfying riding experience. Thank you for joining us at Auto Paradise as we explored the 2025 Honda SP125. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest automotive offerings.